Gluten is a group of proteins found in wheat and related grains like barley and rye. Here's an explanation of gluten and its role in baking. 1. Protein composition. Gluten comprises two main proteins, glutenin and gliadin. When flour is mixed with water, these proteins combine to form a sticky network that gives dough its elasticity and strength. 2. Structural support. In baking, gluten provides structural support to dough by trapping air bubbles produced during fermentation or mixing. This gives baked goods, like bread and cakes, their desired volume and texture. 3. Elasticity and chewiness. Gluten development creates a stretchy, elastic dough that can expand and rise during baking. This elasticity contributes to the chewiness of bread and helps retain moisture, keeping baked goods soft and moist. 4. Gas retention. During fermentation, in yeast-risen doughs, or when leaveners like baking powder are added, gluten traps carbon dioxide gas produced by yeast or chemical reactions. This gas expands within the dough, causing it to rise and develop a light, airy texture. 5. Binding agent. Gluten acts as a binding agent that holds ingredients together in doughs and batters. It improves the overall structure and shape retention of baked goods, preventing them from crumbling. 6. Flour selection. The gluten content in flour varies depending on the type of wheat and how it's processed. Bread flour has a higher gluten content, around 12 to 14%, than all-purpose flour, around 8 to 11%, making it suitable for yeast breads that require strong gluten development. 7. Gluten-free alternatives. For individuals with gluten intolerance, celiac disease, or gluten sensitivity, gluten-free flours made from rice, corn, almond, or other grains are used in baking. These flours lack gluten and require alternative binding agents and techniques to achieve similar results. 8. Dough handling. Proper kneading and resting of dough allow gluten strands to develop fully, ensuring optimal texture and rise in baked goods. Over-kneading or under-kneading can affect gluten development and result in dense or tough baked products. Conclusion. Gluten plays a crucial role in baking by providing structure, elasticity, and texture to doughs and batters. Its unique properties contribute to the quality and consistency of bread, cakes, pastries, and other baked goods enjoyed worldwide. Understanding gluten's function helps bakers manipulate dough consistency and texture, ensuring delicious results that meet specific baking requirements and preferences.